Well, hello tubers. It's another sunny, beautiful day here in Metro Vancouver, and the madness has just begun inside my RV.
You have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're going to be, who you're going to be, who you're going to be.
And what am I talking about? I'm talking about redecorations. I'm talking about renovation. I'm talking about changing it up inside. My RV is a 2008, so it's about 11 years old now. I've had it about 4 or 5 years. And of course, I kept it very stock and basic because I always thought I'm just going to trade it in a couple of years. Well, I still own it and I'm still enjoying it, so I might as well make it my own and get a couple more years out of it. So I'm open to suggestions that you might have on the many things that I want to do because it has already begun. First of all, I want to change a lot of fixtures. I want to do a little bit of painting, a little bit of decorating, a little bit of upholstery work, change some appliances, change some of the highlights. Now I want to use black as the highlight because my appliances are all black and I kind of don't like the wood grain paneling that I have. So part of that is changing the hardware and the fixtures. For example, the handles. I'm going to show you the before and the after. I like the dark colored handles better. Shows less dirt too. It's not cheap. Even simple things like this are not cheap. I've got 17 handles in here to change and they're all about $7 a piece. Do the math. Just simple little things like that do add up, but it makes the RV unique and different. And I like that. And I'm still looking for a convection microwave oven that is small, that works well, that will fit in my RV because I can't put a big convection microwave inside. So I'm looking for the right unit that has the right performance at the right price point that is black. It's got to be black. That's the other issue. So if you've got any suggestions for a convection microwave that will fit in the standard small size area of an RV, let me know. So I'm open for you to help me decorate, paint, redesign this interior of this RV. And keep in mind, I want to use black as the accenting color against this wood grain paneling that I have. For example, my refrigerator has got the fake wood grain paneling. It's got to go. I don't like it. I like the fridge. Fridge works great. Nothing wrong with the fridge. Just hate that fake wood paneling cover that it has, the faux cover. Now I do want to maintain a fairly conservative look in the main part of the RV so that it retains its value. So I don't want to do anything too radical, if you understand what I'm saying. But the bathroom, that I can have a little bit of fun with. As many of you know, I've been to France and I love France, but I hate Paris. I think Paris is a shithole. So apropos, the kitschiness of my bathroom is going to reflect that. Hence, I've created the Paris pooper. Yes, folks, my bathroom in my RV is complete Parisian themed. 100% because Paris is a hole and my hole should reflect that. And it provides a little bit of ambiance when I'm doing the number 2. And best of all, it can all be removed and changed back when I'm done with it. I'm just having fun.
Good morning everybody and welcome to the sunny Fraser Valley of beautiful British Columbia. It's a nice balmy, 17-18 degrees here today. There's a slight breeze but it's quite nice. So the question has to be asked, why would someone try to make their bathroom look like Paris, France? I don't know if you've ever been to Paris, France, but there are not many eloquent bathrooms in Paris, France. It's a bit of a beep hole out there, but Lionsco himself has decided to make his bathroom look like Paris, France. I've taken a look at it and I've encouraged him to move away from the French aspect, because if it was me, I would put Big Ben in my bathroom, but that's just me personally. I'm not quite sure about Andrew. And I look at it and then I see, well, when you're showering, it's almost like standing by the Tour Eiffel with the water falling down, but I just couldn't do it. I just could not put Paris in my bathroom. Paris is, at the best of times, from an Englishman's point of view, a bit of a hole, and what better place for Andrew to have it though, in his pooper, as a Paris pooper. But think about it, my friend. Think about it and change it, make it English. We all know English is best. And hey, when you've got Big Ben in your bathroom, what else do you need? Stay safe, keep your wheels on the ground.
You have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who